Are you tired of kneading dough for your bread? Or do you want to knead your dough more hygienically and save a lot of time? Because everybody loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes, as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium or dark crust, and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5 or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find a perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior of light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivered functions including bake only, and as of 13-hour delay start, see your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot bakery, fresh artisan breads, right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact automatic bread maker.